per individual. The next thing I want to mention is the reason I want to teach this architecture that is you don't need a CS degree. You don't need to spend like 4 or 5 years to understand a lot of the details about the syntax, different programming languages, system design, algorithm. So you just needed to have a mental model inside of you to really understand the blueprint, how those apps or AI agent um, has been designed, right? So when you are doing the web coding, I always want my students to keep this blueprint inside of their mind, right? They knows where to start, front end, what does front end work, what does like backend work, how the storage works, and the large language model, how those things talk with each other, how they connect with each other. Once you have this blueprint inside of your mind, when you're asking the AI to do web coding, you know where to go, and also you are driving the AI to go to this right direction or classic design, for any of the applications because infrastructure, right? The whole infrastructure haven't been changed, right? So that's kind of like hardware, how they're gonna talk with each other, stuff like that, how people gonna get online to get access, to different websites, different apps. Those things still would be the same, from there. The only thing changes is just the AI, how people interact with the AI. But based on those infrastructure, the architecture, the overall blueprint of when you develop any app, develop any AI agent, still gonna be the same, right? So that's classic. I want you guys to understand, right? So basically, I'm extrapolates those critical knowledge coming from a CS degree or coming from the computer science background, and I wanted to teach normal people to understand it, those core part of it. And once everyone will be able to understand this, they can build anything on top of it with web coding. You just need to use natural language, talk with AI, use your common sense, interact with the app or the product or agent you design and provide feedback. So basically, that's exactly the loop I'm doing to building, up those 15 AI products from there. I think after maybe second or third app I developed over there, I don't write code at all, right? I basically delegate all the coding process to my AI, to my agent, cloud, anti-gravity, any like the coding agents from there. So I don't write any code. I just basically driving them. I giving them feedback. I giving them the direction because I have this architecture inside of my mind, right? You become an architecture rather than just a coding engineer or software engineer from there. I think that's a major difference based on my experience, to experience all the web coding change time from that. Hope this also gonna inspire you guys a bit. But what I want, I think the takeaway here is definitely understanding the